I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Ndagukunda. I need to go home. I need to go home. Nshaka kujya mu rugo. I need to go home. See you tonight. Tubonane nijoro cyangwa se nimugoroba. See you tonight. See you later. Turasubira cyangwa se tubonane mu kandi kanya. See you later. See you later. Turasubira. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Urakoze ku bufasha bwawe. That looks great. That looks great. Icyo kimeze neza. That smells bad. That smells bad. Icyo gihumura nabi. He is right. He is right. Ari mukuri. She is very annoying. She is very annoying. Arasakuza cyane. She is very annoying. Arasakuza cyane. I don't want it. I don't want it. Ntago ngishaka. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Ntabwo nshaka kukubangamira. I don't want to bother you. Ntabwo nshaka kukubangamira. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. Reka tujye kureba. Let's go have a look. Reka tujye kureba. May I speak to Miss Brianna, please? May I speak to Miss Brianna, please? Ese nshobora kuvugisha Brianne? Munyihanganire. Ese nshobora kuvugisha Brianne? May I speak to Miss Brianne, please? Next time. Ubutaha. Next time. Ubutaha. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nta kindi. Nothing else. Nta kindi. Of course. Of course. Nibyo. Cyangwa se yego. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Ihangane untware kuri iyi address. Please take me to this address. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Ihangane wuzuze iyi nyandiko. Please write it down. Please write it down. Ihangane ubyandike ahangaha. Please write it down. Ihangane ubyandike ahangaha. You are handsome. You are handsome. Uri mwiza. Iki gihe dukoresha handsome iyo turi kubwira cyangwa se tuvuga ku gitsina gabo tumubwira yuko ari mwiza. You are handsome. Uri mwiza. You are very nice. You are very nice. Uri umuntu mwiza. You are very nice. Uri umuntu mwiza. You are smart. You are smart. Urasobanutse. You are smart. Urasobanutse. I only want vegetable. I only want vegetable. Nkeneye imboga zonyine. I only want vegetable. Nkeneye imboga zonyine. I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. Ndibaza kiryoshye. I think it tastes good. Ndibaza kiryoshye. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. Niba ukeneye ubufasha bwanjye umbwire. I had like to go for a walk. I had like to go for a walk. Nakunze kugenza n'amaguru cyangwa se nakunze kugenda n'amaguru. Thank you for watching this channel, HC English and Kinyarwanda TV. I hope to see you guys soon and every day. Murakoze cyane kureba iyi channel hamwe na Cecile English and Kinyarwanda. Tubifurije gukomeza kwiga mukiga neza kandi mugahora mugaruka mudasiba kuri channel yacu, mwifatanye natwe mu muryango wacu. Buri munsi ngiye kujya nkomeza nzambagezaho ibintu bitandukanye. Nari maze igihe ndi mu kiruhuko cy'ububyeyi cyangwa se ikiruhuko cyo kubyara, mfite agahinja gato, niyo mpamvu nari narahuze ntaheruka kuza ngaha. Munyihanganire kuri iyo mpamvu. Tuzasubira ubutaha kandi ntimwibagirwe gukora subscribe, share and comment. Mushyire ibitekerezo byanyu aho hasi, mutubwire uko mutubona kuri iyi channel niba bibafasha mu buzima bwanyu bwa buri munsi. Murakoze cyane.